Hey, started a new project called Project 6. The goal is to put it on Steam in 6 weeks. And in the first day, we set up the movement cycles. So we can walk, sprint, crouch. And we've got a little camera that we can control and zoom around. We set up an inventory system so that you can grab and holster items. And we set up a couple of pieces of logic to control aiming, so we can shoot things directly like knees and headshots, so that we can drop these guys into crawl animations in the future. Also got like a jump animation in here. We've got a little bit of occlusion solutions, so we can move these characters around through spaces. And then we've also got some test cases for shooting above the character up to balconies, and also shooting characters that are below us, just to make sure that our weapons are nice and accurate here. We've also got this all set up in a multiplayer environment, so we can have multiple players at the same time. And if you want to keep up to date with the project, just subscribe and keep up to date with us. We'll post something once a week, and we'll do a little review of where we've got to.